Facing Netsh.exe Application Error 0xc0000142 on Windows 11? Learn the quick fixes to resolve system file and network issues effortlessly. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Click on Apps. Go to Installed Apps. And search for the app causing the issue. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. If the problem persists, click on Reset and Confirm. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Second solution. Update all apps from Microsoft Store. Search for MS Store in the search bar. And open it. Once inside the Microsoft Store, click on Library. Under Apps, click on Update All to ensure all apps are up to date. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Third solution. Uninstall and reinstall. Quick Share. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Locate Quick Share, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the action by clicking Uninstall again. Open the Microsoft Store and use the search bar to find Quick Share. Download and reinstall Quick Share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.